Okay, we have a 2013 Chevy Sonic with an Ecotec 1.8 liter manual transmission. Hatchback. Do a walk around. Want to point out a couple things. We have a couple scuffs on the bumper. We have a little crack on the bumper down here. A little bit of rust bubble on the hood. Besides that, pretty clean car. You have brand new tires on the front and on the rear, brand new tires all around. So a few scratches and dings. Zero rust. Pop the hatch. There's your back seats. Here's inside the vehicle. Go ahead and start it. Touchscreen radio, steering wheel controls, digital dash. Okay, pop the hood and take a look.